Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and it is early in the morning, and I just wanted to come on here really quick. I'm going to make this short and sweet. And so today is the day that we have picked, Jess and I, over on Jess Gus. We, as you know, have had this giveaway for the cute little tasty gingerbread. It's the Ipsy little bundle giveaway that's got that gingerbread tasting body powder giveaway that we're doing together. Jess is giving one winner one little bundle away, and I'm giving one little bundle away. She's picking a winner, I'm picking a winner. I've got my winner picked, and I'm sure that she's got her winner picked, and so we are going on here to share with you who won. And so we have just, guys, we have been loving doing these double collab giveaways. You guys have seemed to enjoy them too, and we like the fact that we have double chances to give away. She loves doing giveaways. I love doing giveaways. We love giving back to you guys. So we've went on, and I've got some footage that I'm going to insert of the winner that was chosen by the random comment picker. And so I'm going to go ahead and insert that footage now. So let's skip on over to that footage. Okay, we are about to start this random comment picker. I've got my video URL in. I'm going to filter by the text enter me, and we are going to get the YouTube comments, and I am going to come over here. I'm going to start. And my winner is Alexis Duncan. Alexis Duncan. And she she says, enter me too, please. So we are going to go over, and we are going to go to my video. Alexis Duncan. Okay, and there is Alexis Duncan right there. And we are going to go to her page. And there I am right there. So she does have her notifications on. She is subscribed to me, so she is my winner chicken dinner. Okay, so yeah, congratulations, Alexis. So I am so happy for you. And so you will have, as you know in the rules, this giveaway is not affiliated in no way with YouTube. This is just a giveaway that I am doing myself, and you have got 48 hours to get in contact with me to give me the address that you would like that sent to, and you can contact me at getthisglowing@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you within 48 hours, then I will go back and we will start the process all over again, and I will go through the random comment picker and select a new winner. So those are the rules, and you guys know that. But also, I do want to remind you that if you haven't put in for my skincare giveaway basket, that's valued at over $100. Put in for that if you're interested in starting a new skincare routine for the new year and you would like some help with getting those products together for yourself. put in for that. That drawing will be on Saturday, February the 1st. So we're heading into that. We're almost at that point. So don't forget about putting in for that if you're interested. And I really appreciate you guys supporting me and supporting my channel. And that's what makes us, both Jess and I, that's what really drives us to do these giveaways. We really want to give back to our subscribers, and we appreciate you guys so much. And we just love doing these in collabs. And then today at 10 o'clock, we're going to have an exciting collab coming up for you as well. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so lots of exciting things coming, and then we will be back on board. We also have 2 more exciting collab giveaways coming your way very shortly, so stay tuned for those. So yeah, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, but you would like to, it's really easy. All you got to do is smash that big red subscribe button down below. It's just right there, right down there, the big red one. Yeah, just whack it. And then if you want to be notified whenever I post new content to my channel, then that's really easy too. All you gotta do is hit that post notification bell and then set it to all. And then that way YouTube will remind you every time that I post something new to my channel and there's something new to watch, they're just gonna like let you know. And then you'll be ready. Anyway, I hope that you're doing great this morning. Grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of tea, and get your day started off right. And I hope everything's going good in your neck of the woods. But anyway, for now, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.